Hello, my name is Jürgen Rinelli and I'm a senior software consultant. In my today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to configure the two-factor authentication within Endpoint Central. Have fun! All right, here we are in my test machine. That's a separate machine I have just for, fooling around, testing everything. And when you first log in into your system, then you will have, if you have the two-factor authentication already set up with an email, it will look like that. And here is my first hint. Prior putting in here your credentials, no, not the credentials, the two-factor authentication, set that click here for the browser in order to keep it in your cache, the OTP. Yeah, this is set in my environment. One day you can set it more. I will show you later where to set it up. So now let's check my emails. Where is the two-factor authentication code? Copy and paste it in, and now without pushing enter, it will log in. So that's why I mentioned getting that set up, that click on that checkbox. Yeah. All right. Now I'm on a free edition. Yeah, I always get that information in here. Where to set up the two-factor authentication? That's within the admin tab. You go in there and there is the users section. Within the users section, go to the secure authentication, and here is email configured. Two-factor authentication is mandatory. So now here is email set up for everyone. And if I want to change to an authenticator app, I just check that box, and now you'll see there is a lot of different authenticator apps. These are just samples where you can choose from. And here you can allow the browser to save the OTP for an amount of days. I recommend maximum 1 day. You can set up more days, even 0 would be more perfect even, but 1 day is fine too. So great. Again, if you want to change that, it will affect all your users, not only your own account or a specific account. It's globally. Now, let's save that. And as you can see, nothing happens. So in order to show everything, I'm going to log out now here, sign out, and I'm going to sign in again. This is now the first login, and every user will have to configure with this QR code his environment. This QR code is only now for my testing purposes. I won't blur it out. It will be changed later again, everything. So now let's configure that. I'm just scanning that QR code, and you can choose different authenticator apps. I use one out from ManageEngine, from Zoho. Just re-authenticate, and now that's it. And now I will have the first password to set in. Okay, and yeah, here we go. All set up, and I'm in with the change of authentication way. Go back, admin tab, users. We can set it up back again to the email. No problem at all. And the next thing is, if you want to set it up back to email, and you added more users, make sure that all users have an email configured, else it won't work. And yeah, If you have users, they who might have been in vacation, out of office, whatever, and the link has been expired. So then within the action button, you will find the possibility to resend the link. I'm going to change to another system in order to show that how it looks like. All right, here we are, and there is not active or something. You just go in here and send a re-invite. That's it for today with the two-factor authentication within Endpoint Central. Easy configuration task, isn't it? See you soon.